Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to onboard new team members with Asana, the 2025 guide. First up, we need to invite the new member to the relevant Asana team. On the left sidebar, click on the team's name, select Invite, and input the new member's email. This step is crucial as it gives the new member access to all the projects and tasks within the team. Now that we've done that, let's assign the new member to tasks. Click on a task, then select Assignee, and type in the new member's name. The reason we do this is so the new member knows exactly what they're responsible for, which helps streamline their integration process into the team. Next up, we need to set up a project for the new member's onboarding. Click New Project, name it something like Onboarding, and add tasks relevant to their role. This helps us because it provides a clear roadmap for the new member's first few weeks, helping them hit the ground running. Lastly, it's essential to set up a one-on-one project with the new member. Here's why this matters. It provides a dedicated space for feedback and questions and enhances communication between you and the new team member. Just click New Project, name it One-on-One With, and invite the new member. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively onboard new team members using Asana. Remember, the key here is to facilitate clear communication and set expectations right from the start. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, stay productive.